Good morning, students. We are going to continue from your applied English chapter number 5, dialogue writing. Today, page number 51, applied English book, page number 51, second number dialogue we are going to discuss. Write a dialogue between doctor and a patient in about 80 words. This is dialogue between a doctor and a patient. First, let's see the hint. Chest and throat infection. Oh, patient has chest and throat infection. To take medicine 5 days. 5 days medicine. Can go to work, not for walk for some days. He can go work, but not for work for some days. To avoid spice and fried and spicy food. And during the treatment, he is taking medicine. He has to avoid. He don't have to take fried and spicy food. How we will start? We can start like this. Sample. It's not necessary that you should write the same one. Another different way also you can write. This is only sample. Patient speaks. Sir, I have pain in my chest. Then doctor speaks. Sit down. First let me check. And when the doctors check, the patient speaks. Sir, is the problem serious? Sir, is the problem serious? Then doctor says, don't worry. Don't worry. You have chest and throat infection. Don't worry, you have chest and throat infection. Take this medicine regularly for 5 days. Patient says, okay, sir. I will take the medicines at proper time. Sir, can I go to work? Doctor says, you can go to work, but don't go for a walk for some days. And you have to avoid fried and spicy food for some days. Patient says, thank you, doctor. This way we will finish. Another, by using different words also you can write different way. Next page number 52. First question. Construct dialogue between your friend and you in about 80 words about what you two did over the weekend. This is the conversation dialogue between you and your friend. You both spent your weekend very happily, and you are talking about your weekends. Then what you will say? You and your friend. Talking between you and your friend. You meet your friend and you say, hi friend, how was your weekend? Hi friend, how was your weekend? Hi friend, how was your weekend? You say. Then friend says, Friend says, it was very exciting. It was very exciting. I went to Delhi. I went to Delhi and saw there many historical places like the Red Fort, India Gate, Parliamentary House, etc. And what about yours? What about yours? You ask question. Friend says, it was very exciting. I went to Delhi and saw there many historical places like the Red Fort, India Gate, Parliamentary House, etc. What about yours? Now friend asks you, what about yours? Then you speak. You speak. What you speak? You speak. I went to Mussoorie. I went to Mussoorie and spent my weekend in the lap of nature. In the lap of nature, and enjoyed a lot. Then friend says, really, we both have spent a great weekend. Really, we both have spent a great weekend. Then you say, yes, I think the same. Yes, I think the same. This way you can write. Now second number. Ram and Rahim are two friends and are planning to go for a 2-day trek to Kasauli. Construct a dialogue between the two in 80 words. This is the dialogue conversation between two friends, Ram and Rahim. They are planning. They have not gone there. They are only making plan to go. They are making plan to go for 2-day trek to Kasauli. Kasauli is a very beautiful place in Himachal Pradesh. They are planning to go to Kasauli, very beautiful place. So imagine yourself and write this dialogue. Students, you have to write this dialogue yourself. Kasauli is a very beautiful place in Himachal Pradesh. The whole Himachal Pradesh is so beautiful place. So about this Kasauli, you have to write the dialogue between Ram and Rahim. Two friends, Ram and Rahim, talking about planning to go to spend some days, 2 days in Kasauli. You have to write it yourself. That's all. Thank you.